But then another issue as well is the way that our food system is set up. Big food companies pay scientists very, very well to figure out how to keep us addicted to food, how to keep us coming back. And this is one of the reasons why I keep saying focus on real food. Because when you look at processed food and the chemical cocktail that we're eating, I think personally it's no wonder there's such a rise in so many different disorders and diseases. If you're having processed food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and an ocean of ingredients that shouldn't be there, of course that's not healthy, you know?